Stop. Is your practical assignment still incomplete? And are you struggling to write an entire handwritten practical file on your own? What if I told you that your complete practical file is already professionally handwritten and ready to use? If you're a student of IGNOU, any college or any university, this can save you hours of hard work, frustration, and last-minute stress. At ENCYCLOHUB, we provide 100% professionally prepared, solved handwritten practical files that are carefully designed according to your course code and your university's official guidelines. Every file is neatly handwritten, well organized, and formatted to look natural and professional. No confusion, no spending endless hours writing, no last-minute panic before submission. Just send us your course code on WhatsApp. Our expert team will help you get your solved handwritten practical file quickly and easily. Whether you're running out of time, missed your practical work, or simply want a professionally prepared handwritten file, ENCYCLOHUB is here to help. Simply WhatsApp your course code and let our team take care of the rest. WhatsApp now 90093682238. Thousands of students have already trusted ENCYCLOHUB to complete their practical submissions with confidence. Now it's your turn. Don't wait until the last moment. Send your course code on WhatsApp today. Get your solved handwritten practical file, save your valuable time, reduce your stress, and submit your practical assignment with complete confidence. ENCYCLOHUB, your trusted partner for academic success.